What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about Unchained, where you can earn some massive rewards. Let me tell you, it is insane. And if we just look at their Twitter, massive following, 18,000 followers with 22,000 followers in the Telegram. So you definitely want to join their Telegram so you don't miss out on all of their time-sensitive material. If we look at their Telegram, you can see that they have just insane amount going on. They just burned 57 million of tokens. Their DEX has finally launched, which we'll go over, and all of their assets. So let's get into it because this is going to be insane. So if we go, you can see, like I said, they have 18,000 people on their Telegram, or Twitter or X, and you should definitely join their Zelly campaign. They're doing a total of $10,000 worth of UNCHAIN X tokens. All you do is go to Zelly and join. It is, I'll put a link in the description so you can join the Zelly event worth $10,000, but it's really easy. Join the Unchain X, join Telegram, do these 3 tasks: daily missions, invite friends, and special missions. So you can earn those sweet free cryptos. But let's check their website, a comprehensive DeFi platform for digital assets. And the great thing about this is it already has utility. They already have a swap. They have coming soon a launcher, an airdrop tool, DAO governance, and you can manage your assets and your liquidity just by punching in your wallet. So as you can see here, we have $0, but what I love is the amount of rewards you can earn. If you look at this, there is 1,500% APR on UXBNB token, but the one that excites me, look at this, 1,400% on a APR on stablecoins. So these stablecoins, if we, just look at the math. If we put $1,000 in here, say we just put in 1,000 each, full range, which really you don't need the full range, but so full range, if we put in $1,000 or $100 or 1,000, I guess, $1,000, total of $2,000, we're getting $70 back every single day in UNX tokens, which is insane. That's some great money. Let's just do the math. That's $70 divided by 2,000. You're getting 3% daily. 3% times 365 times 100. There's that 1,200% APR. That's insane. And that was just doing basic math. That was not even taking in the full count of 7.3. And that was saying if the price of UNX was $1, and I think it's a little bit above $1. It's $1.06. So that's insane to get those massive gains. But let's check out their white paper because it has a lot of great information. Their introduction to their market maker, their protocol, and the cautions. This is what pops up when you first sign up, just to tell you about the swaps and understanding everything you need to understand. They have their tokenomics here, and they just burnt, 57 million tokens, but they have 10 billion total supply, 450 million for marketing, 300 daily mining rate, and having every 21,000 blocks. Like I said, they already have their swap going, which is pretty sweet. It's BEP20 token, which is on the Binance Smart Chain. This is their fees, slippage, and that sort of thing. Pair deposits. This is where you're getting your concentrated liquidity, where we talked about the stablecoin. There's a bunch of other tokens. It doesn't need to be just USDT and USDC. There's ETH and BNB, there's XRP and BNB, Doge, Sol, UNX, ETH and Sol, and insane APRs. All of them are just extreme yields, especially with this one, UNX and BNB. You're getting that 1,500%. I think that this USDC was just insane with just a stable coin. So yeah, definitely check out this project. They are the Unchained protocol with over 18,000 followers and 22 on their Telegram. So they are quite massive with insane APRs and APYs. So definitely check out for your comprehensive DeFi platform for all your digital asset needs. They do have low repairs and higher reliability than everyone else based on what they say here. So take a look for yourself, see if it's something that you want to have all your assets being managed by Unchained. That's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.